Hey y'all, what's good? Have you been thinking about trying beeswax wraps, but you're nervous because you don't know how to clean it? Let me show you how easy it is. You're going to add cold water to your sink, just a little bit, not a lot. Going to add you a little dish soap. You're going to add your wraps. I like to just move them around a little bit, that way the soap gets on both sides. Then you're going to take a sponge and you're just going to wash both sides really, really well. And you're going to rinse them off. Now I like to take my bamboo paper towel and just wipe them down just a little bit, just to get the extra water off. And then you're just going to place them in your dish rack and let them air dry. So it's pretty simple and pretty straightforward. I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope you have a great day.
Here's how I wash my beeswax wraps. If your wrap has just a few crumbs like this one, I take a damp Swedish dishcloth and dust off any crumbs or food residue. I'll then lay it out for a few minutes to dry and fold it up and store it away. If your wrap needs a more thorough cleaning, I use a Swedish dishcloth and some gentle dish soap, and I'm sure to wash both the front and back of my wrap. When washing your wraps, always be sure to use cool water to rinse. Hot water can damage the surface of your wrap. Lay your wrap out to dry, and there you have it. How to wash your nature.bee beeswax wraps. Rinse your wrap under cool water or brush off any food residue with a Swedish dishcloth. If you're in need of a more thorough clean, grab some dish soap and a Swedish dishcloth and gently wash the front and back of your wrap. Rinse again with cool water and lay your wrap to dry out of direct sunlight.
How do I wash my True Earth beeswax wraps so they still remain pliable? Put it into my dishwasher? No. Wash it under hot water? No. Hot water would melt the wax. I simply wash it under cold water with a mild detergent. I don't use any vinegars or bleaches. Hang it to dry and it can be used over and over again.
Here's how to properly clean your beeswax wraps. First, you're going to want to soak your beeswax wraps in cold water for 1 to 2 minutes. Next, you're going to want to add soap and hand scrub gently. Hang dry and they're ready to reuse. Follow for more eco tips.